My name is Olivia Perlo, and as a high school senior going into animal science, one of the most important questions is why we treat our dogs for heart guard prevention. Heart guard prevention is one of the most common things that pet owners often neglect. In America, heartworm is often one of the most fatal diseases in dogs, as dogs are one of the most natural carriers. Dogs are able to carry heartworms till full term. These full-term heartworms live in the heart, lungs, and associated arteries in these dogs. They can cause heart failure, liver failure, arterial damage, and damage in the blood vessels. Even after treatment measures, these heartworms can have long-lasting effects on the overall health and longevity of your dog. Now you may be wondering how these dogs get heartworm in the first place. Mosquitoes are most often the carriers of heartworm, as when they bite an affected animal, such as foxes and coyotes in the wild, they carry the larva of the heartworm, called microfilaria. These microfilaria enter a dog through the wound that a mosquito causes by biting them. As they enter the wound, they're able to grow to full term into the L3 and L4 stages in a dog. After, it takes about 6 months till they reach their adulthood, and that's when they start causing problems in the heart, lungs, and arteries. After reaching full term, there's not much that can be done for these dogs except treatment measures, and the most effective treatment is caught in the earliest stages of heartworm. The best treatment for heartworm is preventative measures, such as HeartGuard, one of America's leading heartworm treatments. HeartGuard Plus is a strain of HeartGuard for dogs, and one of the most recommended by veterinarians in the US. HeartGuard Plus contains 2 deworming factors, the active ingredient called ivermectin and another dewormer called pyritol. Ivermectin is the active ingredient in HeartGuard Plus, and it targets the immature heartworms before they are able to reach full term in these dogs. It acts when they are first introduced into the dog's body through the mosquito bite. These microvilli, or immature heartworms, are then targeted as the ivermectin binds to the muscle and nerve cells. Upon binding to the muscle and nerve cells, the ivermectin creates an increased chloride influx, which causes disruption in the feeding patterns and viability of the heartworms. It also can cause paralysis within the heartworms, which will eventually lead to death. The reason HeartGuard Plus is safe for dogs is because ivermectin isn't able to affect mammals in the same way it does parasites. When ivermectin binds to the muscle and nerve cells, it affects the glutamate-gated channels. However, mammals do not have these glutamate-gated channels, and the ivermectin is kept out of the mammalian brain by the blood-brain barrier. Heartworm is one of the most often overlooked diseases in canines. However, its prevention is truly its only treatment. Finding the best medicine containing ivermectin is one of the most crucial things to do as a dog owner.